Yeah, actually, you have to create many examples, taking each word, each vocabulary word.
Reject the bank manager reject my check.
The bank manager rejected my check. Hmm. Yeah, create taking below, taking present, taking absent, taking accept, taking reject. I rejected his request. Huh. They don't.
He accepted my
They don't
proposal.
reject my proposal. Oh. They accepted my proposal. Okay. Next.
Her novel is historically accurate.
Yeah.
Her novel is historically
Her
accurate.
novel. Accurate. Very fine. Next. Inka.
She's accepted my friend request.
Okay. Suppose. Don't be absent.
My watch is
Oh.
very accurate.
My watch is working very accurately. Okay, fine.
The information is inaccurate.
Yeah.
The information is inaccurate.
Inaccurate. Very fine. Next. Okay, see here. Present. The word is present, right? See here I am writing in how many ways. ఈ ఒక present అనే దాన్ని తీసుకొని ఎన్ని ways లో రాస్తాను చూడండి. He gave me a present, which means gift. Okay. I presented to the yesterday's class. To the yesterday's class, which means verb. Here present is verb. Here present is noun. Okay. I have a present. I have present knowledge. He is adjective. See, this present can be used in 3 ways. Here it is working as a noun, gift. Okay, here this present is working as a verb, attend avatam. Here this present is working as current. Current meaning is current knowledge, prastuta knowledge. Okay, so అంటే ఒక వర్డ్ ని డిఫరెంట్ పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ స్పీచ్ లో we can use this present in different parts of speech. I have used it here in 3 ways. 3 ways లో ఉపయోగించాను అన్నమాట. ఓకే, ఎస్, కంటిన్యూ. యూజింగ్ ఆబ్సెంట్. He comes to school every day without absent. ఓకే, యా చెప్పండి.
I watch cricket every day without option.
Oh. Yeah, I watch cricket every day without absent.
I go
Okay.
to office every day without option.
I go to office. వెరీ ఫైన్. సో ఈ విధంగా మీరు అలా నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తేనే మీకు వొకాబులరీ అనేది స్ట్రాంగ్ అవుతారు. ఏదో ఒక సెంటెన్స్ చెప్తే స్ట్రాంగ్ అవ్వరు, మర్చిపోతారు. యూసేజ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యూసేజ్, వొకాబులరీ యూసేజ్ అంటారు దీన్ని. ఓకే, కంటిన్యూ. నెక్స్ట్,
My
ప్రొజెక్ట్.
father
Oh.
rejected,
మై ఫాదర్
rejected my my father rejected my proposals.
మై ప్రపోజల్. ఎందుకు?
The bike cost is very high.
బికాస్
Because bike cost is the bike
The
cost
bike-
is very high.
కాస్ట్ ఈజ్ వెరీ అయ్యా.
Yes, sir.
కంటిన్యూ చేయండి దాన్నే ఇంకా. బికాస్ ద బైక్ కాస్ట్ ఈజ్ వెరీ హై. అందుచేత ఏం చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారు? సో
So
Less price by
I convinced my father. So I convinced to my father.
సో ఐ వాంట్ టు కన్విన్స్
I want to convince.
మై ఫాదర్.
Then I explain the bike like
features.
the bike features.
I want to convince my father about bike features.
Features
By
and advantages.
ఓకే, అబౌట్ ద ఏం చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నా? ఐ వాంట్ టు కన్విన్స్ మై ఫాదర్ సేయింగ్
Saying about the bike features and
about the
advantages.
bike features. Saying about the bike features. ఓకే, ఫైన్. ఇట్లా అంటే మనం సింపుల్ పెడతా ఉంటే, సెంటెన్స్ రాస్తా ఉంటే అంత ఎఫెక్టివ్ గా అనిపించదు మనకు కూడా. ఇలా పెద్దగా పెంచుతా ఉండాలి, అప్పుడే కొంచెం ఎఫెక్టివ్ గా అనేది మీకు కూడా. ఓకే, కమాన్. నౌ ద మేనేజర్ రిజెక్టెడ్ మై చెక్. కమాన్, మేక్ ఇట్ బిగ్ సెంటెన్స్.
My manager rejected check. The
మై చెక్.
problem is I missed bank account number.
As I missed
Missed the bank account number.
bank account number.
Yeah. Instead of 3, I was wrote 7.
Instead of
3, I was
instead of
3 number. I
3
was wrote a
3
7.
number. Instead of 3, okay, I
wrote
wrote
7.
11. ఓకే, తర్వాత నేను చేంజ్ చేసి బ్యాంక్ మేనేజర్ కి ఇచ్చాను.
After that, I changed yeah.
Later I changed. Later I changed it and
Submitted
returned
bank.
it.
Submit.
Submitted to bank.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I rejected his proposal. No, I rejected his request.
I rejected his request.
Hmm.
He wants to come with me.
Because he wants
Yeah, he wants to come with me Bangalore.
come with
Bangalore
to Bangalore
for marriage.
to attend marriage.
To attend marriage. On that day, I was
On that day,
attend the
I want to attend
office meeting.
office meeting. ఓకే, ఫైన్. చూడండి చక్కగా. ఎవరు మాట్లాడేది? ఎవరు? వినయా?
No, sir, Venki.
వెంకయ్యా? ఓకే, రైట్, ఫైన్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్. ఐ డోంట్ రిజెక్ట్ మై ప్రపోజల్. ఎవరు ఎక్కువ యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకుంటే వాళ్ళే ముందుంటారు. In a single word, it is clear that
Don't
one
reject.
who uses this, they only will be forward. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి.
They don't reject my proposal because I gave like perfect, accurate information. I gave accurate information.
Okay, fine. Accurate information. The novel is historically accurate. My watch is working very accurately. దీన్ని పెంచండి.
My watch is working very accurately. My watch is working accurately because
వర్షంలో కూడా
waterproof.
వర్షంలో కూడా బాగా వర్క్ చేస్తుంది. My watch is working very accurately even in the rainy time. ఓకే, అందుచేత నేను మా ఫ్రెండ్ కి సజెస్ట్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను ఇదే వాచ్ ని కొనుక్కోమని. చెప్పండి.
So the reason I suggested to my friend.
Therefore చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. నేను నా ఫ్రెండ్ కి సజెస్ట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను.
I want to suggest.
Would like to suggest to buy the same
watch.
ఎంతకు ఎవరు చేయాలనుకుంటున్నా? Therefore I would like to suggest to my friend. దేనికి? To buy the same watch. Okay. Yeah. The information is inaccurate. Yeah, continue.
The information are inaccurate. when I was watching
As I was
Virat Kohli batting.
watching Virat Kohli batting.
He said 57 runs. Said
Batting who?
Scored.
Who? When you said?
and I was watching Virat Kohli batting. 57 runs, sir, and like he
Who
scored.
made?
Yeah, he scored.
Who made? Who made or who scored?
Who scored? Seven.
Scored
7 runs.
57
runs.
runs. Very fine.
He said 34.
Huh?
He said
Then
that
said
he,
Good. I'm watching batting. But
Okay.
he said 57 runs. Sorry.
Who scored 57 runs or no?
Yes, sir. But
But
my friend said 40.
my friend said it was 44. Very fine. చూడండి ఎంత చక్కగా రాస్తున్నామో. ఓకే, నౌ లెట్స్ టేక్ సమ్ మోర్. Yeah, achieve opposite is fail. Active opposite is inactive. Add, subtract, admit, deny. అడ్మిట్ అంటే అంగీకరించడం, డెనై అంటే నిరాకరించడం. అడ్వాన్స్ ముందుకు వెళ్ళటం, రిట్రీట్ వెనక్కి వెళ్ళటం. ఓకే, యూజింగ్ అచీవ్. టెల్ మీ 4 examples.
Achieve.
అచీవ్ అంటే సాధించటం.
my daughter
మై డాటర్
achieve her school in her school.
ఏం సాధించింది?
Competition.
Good marks.
కాంపిటీషన్ లో ప్రైజ్ సాధించింది.
First prize.
ఫస్ట్ ప్రైజ్. యా, మై డాటర్ అచీవ్డ్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రైజ్.
First prize.
Yes, sir.
ప్రైజ్ ఇన్ గేమ్స్.
Games.
ఓకే, లేదంటే స్కూల్ కాంపిటీషన్. ఓకే, ఫైన్. నెక్స్ట్.
Virat Kohli will be achieving. Virat Kohli
విరాట్ కోహ్లీ
will be achieving Sachin 100 records.
will be achieving Sachin's
100 century records.
hundreds century records. Okay, fine.
I will.
Record. Centuries record.
Yes, sir.
I will. I will
I will. Yeah,
achieve.
I will.
Achieve
Oh,
my goals soon.
my goals soon. Very fine. One more example.
My son achieved him first rank her school, home school.
My son achieved first rank in the school.
First rank in the school.
Okay, fine. Okay, now let's make it big sentences. Virat Kohli will be achieving Sachin's centuries record.
Record.
Okay. మొదట ఎవరు కూడా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు కోహ్లీ ఎంతటి ఏమంటారు కోహ్లీ ఈ ఎంతటి పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చూపిస్తాడు అని చెప్పండి.
Initially, no one can.
Initial days.
Initial days.
Initial
No one break
No
this record.
one
can.
next.
No one.
guessed.
No one can assume.
No one guessed or assumed that he would create such records.
Such records.
ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ క్రికెటర్స్ లో చూసుకుంటే కోహ్లీ ఈజ్ అ టాప్. అంటే ప్రెసెంట్ తరం, అంటే ప్రెసెంట్
Nowadays-
జనరేషన్ లో చూసుకుంటే, ఇన్ ద ప్రెసెంట్ జనరేషన్.
In the present generation.
Then we compare to
Everyone.
ఇన్ ద ప్రెసెంట్ జనరేషన్, ఇఫ్ వి కంపేర్
To
no one can assume
with other cricketers.
other cricketers.
Other cricketers
Performance.
Other cricketers performance, right? Performance. No one is
achieved.
no one
No.
is
Match.
Fine, good word. Okay, adi. I will achieve my goals. Take this.
Will achieve my goals soon because I was attended because I was attended SAP FICO
Because I attended
SAP
SAP classes, Plico training
SAP FICO training
from Chanu SK Institute.
from Chanu SK Institute.
He has very good experience in
Who has Chanu SK Institute. అతడి గురించి చెప్తున్నారు కదా, అతని
Who
పేరు
has-
ఇక్కడ పెట్టకపోయినా కూడా మనం ఉపయోగించవచ్చు. ఎలాగా? హూ పెట్టి ఉపయోగించాలి. Who has
experience in FICO.
has experience in his who has experience in
FICO training.
FICO training. ఓకే, ఫైన్. ఇంకా పెంచగలుగుతారా?
Yes, sir.
పెంచండి.
Compare to other institute.
If we compare
to other institute,
to other institutes,
many people got a job. Many people got a job.
people got job
In this institute.
From Chanu SK training.
who is using updated versions.
who is using updated knowledge.
Knowledge.
Okay, fine.
And sir, please continue, sir. And he
Hmm.
has shared real-time experience. Share with me real-time experience.
Shared with me
Real-time experience.
Very fine. Okay. Yeah, next. Fail. 3 sentences with fail.
Sorry, sir.
3 sentences with fail. Using fail. F-A-I-L.
Sorry, sir. We not able to understand.
Yeah. Use fail. F-A-I-L.
I'll. Okay.
Fail. F-A-I-L. Yes.
I'll,